Hey, this is Austin Childress with Roasty Coffee, and now I'm going to be talking about the Mistobox coffee subscription. Mistobox works with over 50 roasters in the US. Over 500 coffees are in their catalog. So tons of diversity, lots of unique things to try. And something that I personally love about Mistobox is when you sign up for their subscription, they connect you with your own personal coffee curator. So you can message back and forth with them about the coffees that you're getting. They have you take a quiz that kind of helps them understand what you like in a coffee. Do you like lighter roast, darker roast, fruity, chocolatey, all of these things. And then that curator is picking coffees specifically for you that they think that you're gonna love based on your feedback and your conversation with them. So today they've sent us a coffee. This one is from Methodical Coffee, which Methodical is personally one of my favorite roasters. They're out of Greenville, South Carolina. I know the guy who started it. His name's Will. Fantastic coffee company. Their packaging kind of goes with my shirt, but love what they have to offer. And then on the inside of the box, actually has a thing that says, "Hello, Austin." Has a little bit about, where it's from. This coffee's from Guatemala, regions of Huehuetenango. The producer actually is like 100 family producers in this area of San Pedro. Varieties are Caturra and Bourbon. So just a little more information on the coffee itself in the insert of the box, and then this wonderful coffee. So I'm gonna go ahead and brew it and see if my coffee curator matched something that I'm gonna love. Smells so nice. So just finished the brew and it smells incredible. It smells like what I imagine an M&M factory smells like. It smells so good. So sweet, chocolatey. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it. Super sweet, super buttery. Love the taste of it, the mouthfeel, really balanced. Call this an elegant coffee from Guatemala, really complex. And yeah, just a fantastic coffee here from Methodical. And this is one of the awesome things about Mistobox is, my curator understands the types of coffees, the types of roasters I like, sent me this box, and nailed all of it. Love just the amount of coffee roasters they work with, the amount of coffees they have access to, and that curator pulling it all together, sending me coffees that I love. So Mistobox coffee subscription, they have a lot to offer, so many different roasters, so many different coffees, and that curator who really makes sure that what you're receiving each month you're gonna love. So if that's something you're interested in, click the link below. Check out what they have to offer right now. Thanks so much for watching.